Okay guys, so I'm at the dealership. I'm not buying a new car, not yet, but I came with the one that I have to do a little bit of maintenance service, and I thought, why not, shooting a few photos. And I brought the Nikon Z6 with me. Yes, the Z6, not the Z6 II. We're gonna talk about it later. But the most important thing is when you're up and running and you have a camera with you, things are changing a little bit and you start seeing things. And that's why I'm always saying, get your camera with you wherever you're going, even if you're going shopping or groceries or whatever you want to do. Just take a camera with you, and that will be very helpful. I'm going to show you today, and I'm going to take a few photos. I'm shooting on my GoPro, so if it doesn't look amazing, it's because it's a GoPro. But hopefully you're going to hear me well, and let's start doing some stuff. Now, being in the bright sun of California, this might look a little bit overexposed. I hope not, because I'm on auto shutter speed, but it will definitely look jittery, not so cinematic, though I'm in the cinematic mode. But that's not important. We're going to talk about the GoPro some other time. Today we're talking about street photography, and I'm going to show you a few photos, and then we're going to talk a little bit about them and why it's important to not necessarily choose your destination, but enjoy the destination, which means wherever you're going, you should be able to shoot photos, and you should be able to create something out of nothing, like everyone says. And that's pretty true, because it's street photography is not always about people, it's not always about a subject. It's about composition, it's about colors, it's about shadows and highlights, it's about the play of what happens around you. It's an event, and treat it like that. Like I said, we're in a dealership area, and there are only cars around here. People as well, but mostly cars. And if you can find people, it's a treat, or you should take advantage of it. So yeah, I'm trying to shoot whatever I find. What matters the most is when you're on the streets and you don't have so many people around, especially these days, because people are still afraid of going out. What's important is to ask if you want to take a photo, like a portrait or something. Ask. Don't be afraid to go and ask someone to take their shot. That image is gonna be with you for forever, and the worst can happen is for the subject to say no. People are always happy to have their photos taken, so again, don't be an ass and try to sneak behind them and ruin their day by being in their faces. Just ask for it. It's so easy, and they're probably gonna say yeah, no problem. If they don't, you just go ahead and move forward with your day. Now, street photography is not about creating the scene, it's about making the composition. It's about finding the light and tell the story. So keep that in mind and tell the story all the time. Stories are what drives us through this life. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. it was a short one, just a little bit of a street photography straight from my GoPro 9 and the Nikon Z6. We'll talk later. Stay focused, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give these videos a thumbs up. It's important for me, for the algorithm, for the channel. Let's grow big, and let's talk more in the next one. See ya.